Okay, this is a video for the execution of James Jr., Ralph Clifford, and Mr. Mouse. This is a video for that thingy.
Veniți încă.
Yep. Haideți.
A, da, vedeți că vă auziți, ca să știți.
Știu că ne auzim.
Perfect.
Asta e și ideea.
James?
Sunt doi, da?
Hey, can you come with me? Can you come with me?
Hey,
Vezi?
put that gun down. Put that gun down.
Mă, suntem mafie, de ce nu putem să-i omorâm?
He TP'd out, look, he TP'd out, Yoshiro. That's not okay, Boomer.
Okay.
Fine, you didn't.
Bro, look, I just want to give your gun back with a little surprise, alright? Alright, dude?
Okay. We're going to Portland after them. They just wasted their warp.
Haideți.
Alright, teleport to Portland.
If they aren't there, I'm killing my.
Uite. No, deci dacă au pușcă mâna, au voie să ripăseze, by the way.
Știu că au.
Fugi!
Look.
Dă-i rob!
Fuck, man. Why does he have so many warps?
25, 21.
Doamne. Câte warp-uri are băiatul ăla?
Nu știu, sunt super proști oamenii.
Trust me, he will die. He will fucking die. Today. I'm bringing him to you today.
Yeah,
Today.
make sure you're recording it.
I am.
We're gonna be recording, trust me.
Yeah, because if he LRPs and then you don't have any evidence, we can't really do anything about it. So
Alright. Boys, suntem hit, man.
wait.
Hi Josh. You got
Oh. Am întors.
A venit!
Oh, ia uite-l. Wait, I come in peace. I don't want to do anything. I just want to give your gun back. Hey, you fail RPing. Stop. Not nice. Not pro gamer move. Shit, m-am hit. Lu ăsta. Right now we're taking him to a place to execute this person. No, ne descurcăm. Aveți un bandaj? Ok. Unde îl ducem? Dacă dai slash home, merge? Oare? Să-l duci? Îl băgăm în cușca de la tine în birou? Da. Are pușca omul. Dar da, a scăs pușca. L-am luat. Acum vin. Păi ce, dacă vin cu mașina, merge doar o persoană. Nu, hai doar să nu întâm, hai să doar nu întâm, e mai safe. E mai safe. E mort. Look, he failed RP. I'm putting a gun at you. You have to listen. You have to listen. There's an admin watching you. You're gonna fail RP, boy. And I'll drag you to your to Nevermind. L-am prins, Beț, l-am prins! I got him! Îl duc. Mă duc către Cafal. To a beautiful place. Da, l-am mămăit. We're going on the trip to a place called Auschwitz. You're gonna get gassed. Oh, that's Phil RP you broke out, by the way. I have that on video, I'm not kidding. Cheamă pe Yoshiro. Yes. Okay, follow me. Okay. Yoshiro, he broke out of cuffs. That's not a pro gamer move. To Auschwitz. To Auschwitz. To Auschwitz. Come on. No. Las că e Yoshiro cu mine și am un pistol către el. Stop going into the water. Stop going into the water and follow me. Go in front, go in front, go in front, come on. Come on. Go in front of me, go. Come on, careful. Stop going into the water. Stop going to the water. Actually, it's not. To Auschwitz. Why don't you get it? Go, come on, move it. Auschwitz. Careful, careful, Auschwitz. Come on. Fiindcă suntem inteligenți. Come on. Yoshiro, he keeps stalling for time. Nu, a dat cancel că m-am mișcat, cică, când sunt în apă. Da, la fel. Just keep swimming towards careful. Come on, he'll come. Da. Yeah, I know, but you're going to Auschwitz. That's what's happening. No. We're gonna give you a good time. Come on, faster. Oh, Bob Johnson? Yes. Romanians are cool. Nu, nu încă. O să vină și prietenul lui, dacă nu le executăm pe ăsta. Ok, run, sprint, come on. Ok. are? Come on. Yes, we can. Nah. Nu, doar vii la mine. Look. Just TPM. Spune să punem mâinile sus. Pune cable tire, nu-l omor, nu-l omor. Pune cable tire, pune cable tire să-l duci în modace. Oh my god, cable. Da. Da, e de aici. Da, eu filmez. Nu. Stop moving. Stop moving. You sure can we shoot him? You sure can... Can we? No, stai. Can we execute? Okay. We got that on recording.